already. And we're doing the baby food challenge this week, and we're trying the impossible to attempt it. Damian has double challenges this week because he has his own Damian Dares. I actually made a cool song to it. Damian Dares or Damian Dares. No, I'm joking.
Yeah, okay.
So
Skit on present.
because we attempted recording this video once, but Mr. Curry Monster here couldn't do shit. And then we have a special guest here, Curry Monster and Selena, and so I have to go next, but this is not mine.
Good luck.
Ik ga het open. Give me.
No, man.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
It tastes horrible. Just to let you know.
Come mix it, fucking come mix it. So have a nice.
Go fuck yourself.
Yeah. I don't want to fail this time, seriously.
Look at the camera.
Apparently it's really bad.
It's delicious.
Go on.
I taste the beer. It tastes like shit.
Wait, my top
Oh, man. Fall out of my mouth. Does it count?
Nope. You lost.
No.
Out.
No, let me have
Shoo.
Let me have another spoon. Come on. No, that just fall out of my mouth.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Everyone says that.
This is terrible. I remember Grandpa's Sunday lunch beer either.
Come on, swallow it down. Next spoon.
I still on the fast food, huh? Bit by bit. Maybe I should have gone for that nicer one.
No, you know.
Me and my challenges.
Oh, by the way, after 2, it's just unbearable. Getting used to it?
I'm gonna have a bad stomach today. That's good. Don't even need teeth for this.
Because it's baby food.
Aeroplane.
No.
It will take time to upload it.
You done yet?
This is bad. But I can't lose. Let me just stop over here. And if Joy does more than I do, then I carry on. Pleasure.